Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at 2018 Toyota RAV4 LE. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in magnetic gray, and under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your turn signals on the side mirrors, roof rails, and a backup camera. But now why don't we hop inside this RAV and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons. Those are pounding button. Press the unlock button once for the driver's side. We're going to take a look in the front first. In the bottom of the door you do have some nice storage space, and above it you have your power windows and locks. Next to the door you do have your lighting options and your power mirrors, as well as your lane departure assist button right there. Equipped with all-weather mats and black cloth seating, and on the bottom are your manual seating adjustment handles. Let's hop inside. We're going to start this RAV up. So first we're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel. Here you'll find your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, and these arrows right here, this will just help you navigate through your screen right in the center there. On the right, this cluster will help you navigate through your multi-information display in the center. And right here you do have your dynamic cruise control, and your cruise control speed settings are right behind the wheel there. Moving on to our screen here, if we go ahead and press audio, that'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. You also have a choice between USB, CD, auxiliary, and Bluetooth device. Backup camera as well, giving you those nice guidelines. Down below is your climate control system, nice and simple. You got these dials for your function, intensity, and your temperature, as well as your AC button right in the center there. Underneath, your two different drive modes, Eco and Sport, driver and passenger heated seats, USB auxiliary, and 12-volt outlet. You got some storage space in the cup holder, and behind the cup holder you have behind the shifter you have another cup holder. Center console, you got this nice little shelf up top, and you also got that spacious actual center console, and on the passenger side you do have this nice little shelf. Underneath is your glove box, nice and simple, plenty of space. Let's just close that right up. So before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. On the bottom of the door you have some storage space just like the driver's side, and continuing with the all-weather mats and black cloth seating. Behind the driver's seat you do have this nice little pocket for some extra storage. So to open up, all you got to do is just press this button right underneath here, and that liftgate opens nice and easy. Plenty of cargo space in the RAV. Of course, the second row seating goes down in case you need an extra bit of space. And lastly, to show you right underneath here, you do have your spare tire and the tools to change that in case that ever goes out. So to close up, we got this nice little handle up top. Just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at a 2018 Toyota RAV4 LE. Once again, some of those great interior features include your Bluetooth audio, hands-free calling, and heated seats. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name's Christian, and as always, drive safe.